Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking them. So for deleting your blocked contacts without unblocking them, first of all, go to your WhatsApp app. Now, tap on three dots on top right. Go to Settings. Now you have to tap on Privacy. Now simply tap on Help. Now go to Help Center. Now you have to tap on Support. The last step is to write that you want to clear your block list without unblocking. After doing this, the WhatsApp will delete your blocked contact without unblocking them. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.